name is Lena, and today I am going to be talking about the volunteer section in the progress tracking app. All right, so you'll notice down here that we still have the volunteer project not started yet banner active, and that's because Kate hasn't joined a volunteer project yet. I want to point out that her certification date was the 30th of November. So it's been a month and a half, almost 2 months since she was certified, but she hasn't joined the volunteer project yet. And what that will do is send the record owner, which is us, which is me, an email telling me that Kate has been certified for 21 days, but has not joined a project yet. So please reach out to her. And then it will give me a link to Kate's record page, her member profile, right here, so that I can look it over, see what I need to know, if there's any details to be gleaned, and also get her contact info. All right. Additionally, in order to join a project, she must be certified first. So because she is, we won't have any problems filling out any of these fields. But if she were not, so for example, we take away her certification for 1 minute, and we come back to volunteer, and we try to add her to a project. We're gonna give her a project with Stark Industries. We save. It's going to give us an error saying that we cannot populate the volunteer project fields unless she is certified. So that's just something to be aware of. We're going to go back in, return that certification. It was a misclick. We didn't mean it. And now we're going to work on getting her a volunteer project. Her volunteer project, she got a volunteer project with Stark Industries. Woohoo. Very prestigious, I'm sure. And she started it, let's say the 1st of January. We're going to save, and the banner is going to update to show us that her volunteer project is in progress. And then we are going to give her an end date. Let's say her end date was a couple of weeks ago. We're going to save. And it will update the banner to show us that our volunteer project is complete. Now, I want to reiterate that these are just key fields, but they are not all the fields. If we scroll down to the volunteer project field, you'll notice that there are a lot of other fields that we could fill in just to be more detailed, to have more information. So project name, let's call it the Iron Man project. Key contact, Anthony Stark. Project stage, complete, start, and we already have all that. All right, and now we have project experience. So this is Kate's experience from the project. How did she feel about it? What happened during the project? Let's say learned how to build apps. All right, learned how to build apps. Project feedback is the volunteer project leaders, your feedback for the member. Member was engaged, creative, etc. All right. Was this overall a positive review? Yes, it was. Has she been disqualified from future projects? No, because she did a really great job. We would love to have her on future projects, right? Let's say that she was in fact disqualified from projects, right? She did the exact opposite of everything here. If we try to save, it won't allow us to because we need to be able to provide a reason, right? It can't just be because we don't like her. So we're going to say she was not engaged, did not attend meetings, got into arguments with everyone. Click save. All right, and now we have that on file. We have that on record. But once we completed the project, we should have gotten an email that congratulated Kate on completing their volunteer project and giving her next steps on what to do, which is to update her LinkedIn profile. If she had provided us with the LinkedIn profile, if we have her LinkedIn profile information, this will take her to her profile. This email goes out to Kate and then we are CC'd on it. So we receive it as well.